Aave is one of the first and currently also one of the most popular DeFi platforms in the world. Now, many have been using Aave for passive income throughout the past few years. Aave truly revolutionized a very old and simple idea of lending and borrowing and adapted it onto the blockchain. But from my point of view, what has been completely overlooked is the part Aave is playing when it comes to tokenizing real-world assets onto the blockchain. In today's video, we're going to look at Aave, some recent updates and some future price predictions. Now, in case you're new to this channel and you want to stay on top of the crypto world, please hit like, smash and subscribe so that you can be notified every time we upload new videos. My name is Nico Arachi and I'm the host of Crypto Never Sleeps. Live Aave price today is around $93 and the current market cap ranking is number 46 with a market cap of more than 1.2 billion. Trading at 87% below its all-time high, which was recorded on May the 18th, 2021. 124% potential gain if Aave hits its recent all-time high. DeFi Llama, we can see that Aave is the third biggest protocol with 6.3 billion in total value locked in. Now let's talk a little bit about real-world asset market built on Centrifuge and the Aave Protocol. So the real-world asset market is the first diversified real-world asset market on the Aave Protocol, bridging DeFi to the infinite potential of the real world. So the RWA market has launched with 7 pools already and is allowing liquidity providers to deposit USDC. Aave is without a doubt one of the pioneers in the community, bringing both worlds of traditional finance and DeFi together. So accepting real world assets, and that can be anything, that can be real estate, that can be a gold bar, it can be your grandmother, basically. Accepting these assets in a closed environment in the form of a permission pool is obviously a step for Aave and Centrifuge for that matter towards a much wider adoption in the DeFi space. So the real-world asset market is a smart contract-based marketplace of asset pools bringing together asset originators and investors, which obviously seek to utilize the full potential of decentralized finance. And they do this by tokenizing the real-world financial assets into non-fungible tokens, NFTs, and use these NFTs as collateral in their respective pool in order to finance their assets. I still believe that the utility of NFTs hasn't clearly been understood yet. As of now, we've seen a lot of NFTs being minted when it comes to art or when it comes to gaming. However, I really do believe that the NFTs' real utility will be actually tokenizing real-world assets or using NFTs as contracts, or even when it goes to ticketing for sport events. Further updates: Aave is teaming up with decentralized Web3 infrastructure provider Pocket Network in order to offer developers increased stability and ease when building decentralized applications on the Aave Protocol. So Aave will use Pocket's distributed network of more than 44,000 nodes to access on-chain data from various blockchains to power decentralized applications. So developers building Aave-powered dApps may now access blockchain data from Pocket Network on demand following the new integration. Aave also integrated with Merlin, a DeFi protocol that provides users with unique on-chain portfolio analytics. The integration means Aave users can now use Merlin to accurately track their P&L, net worth, and total fee calculations. The features of Merlin can be both for the entire wallet or on individual trading positions. This may not be the most recent news, but Aave is to launch an over-collateralized stablecoin called GHO. So according to the governance proposal, GHO would be an Ethereum-based and decentralized stablecoin pegged to the US dollar that could be collateralized with multiple assets of the user's choice. So in order to obtain the GHO, users would need to mint the stablecoin against their deposited collateral. As users are essentially borrowing the stablecoin against their holdings, the position will need to be over-collateralized as per any normal Aave loan. And finally, let's take a look at some future price predictions and see what the sentiment is like. The first one comes from digitalcoin.com, and they believe we're going to see a high in 2022 of $116 and $178 in 2025. Second one comes from Trading Beast, and they're predicting that the price will hit $107 in 2022 and $223 in 2025. The last one comes from cryptocurrencypriceprediction.com, and in contrast to the two others, they're basing their future price prediction on a fundamental approach. And they're seeing a high in 2022 of $117 and $1,247 in 2025. So before we end my 2 cents on the dollar, well, Aave is without a doubt a pioneer when it comes to DeFi. And I especially believe that tokenizing real-world assets on multiple protocols across the blockchain ecosystem is really going to benefit the price of the Aave token. So from my point of view, all I can say is, Kitty, she's been holding Aave for a long time and she likes to average in at these prices. Now, in case this video gave you any kind of value, then please do me a favor. Hit like, smash, subscribe and all them goodies so that you can be notified when we stream live. Please come and join us. Sometimes they're fun, sometimes not. But one thing I guarantee you, Kitty, she loves you.